Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, the Xanadu Chronicles. I'm Frank and it's time for another episode of Awesome Tip Tuesday.
Jewelry. You can't wear it all at once and it's too gorgeous to hide away, so why not find new ways to display your goodies? The opportunities are all around you. How about a bust? Large or small, necklaces or bracelets draped on them always look amazing and add color, texture, and pattern. Basically, anything with a neck can be enhanced with a piece or 20. What about hanging rings from the branches of a small twig arrangement in a vase as part of a vignette on a shelf, or gathered on a shallow saucer on your bathroom counter? I'm sure it'll make you smile every time you see it. Do you have taxidermy like me? Or maybe some antlers? They're just screaming for some bedazzling, so find something that fits and bedeck them in finery. Have some clip-on earrings or a brooch of note? Why not attach them to a fabric lampshade that needs a little zhuzh? No matter what glimmering bauble you might have, I'm sure a stroll through your home will present itself with opportunities galore to display and share your treasures with all.
If you haven't seen our previous videos, click on the links and watch away. Please share, like, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel. We'll do our best to keep you entertained and coming back for more. Bye for now.